Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to activate premium of Fitbit app. So the first thing you need to do is from the home menu, tap on the U icon, you see Fitbit premium, so tap on activate. Now you can try it for 90 days at no charge and cancel anytime. So you can try the Fitbit premium, or if you're ready to pay, you can just pay this annual one of 29,000 bills yearly. The price will be written there according to your currency. So you can choose the annual, you can choose the monthly, and the most selected plan, you can start a free trial. Now, after the free trial ends, you will charge unless you cancel. Now, this offer is only valid for new premium users only. You can cancel anytime. So once you've read, you can restore subscription if you want. Once you've gone through all this, choose the one you want to see is the one I want, and then you tap try Fitbit premium. They add a payment method and everything, and follow the on-screen prompt from there. Hope you found this video helpful.